Hello guys, welcome to my channel and to today's video. So today I'm gonna be basically doing a DIY hair strengthening mask, and this is a protein treatment. This is one of the great ways to strengthen your hair, and you can do this protein treatment once in a while when you feel your hair is damaged or something else. So to begin with, I will just introduce what I'm using for this protein treatment. I first use a leave-in conditioner. This is the Biocare Labs leave-in conditioner, and I'm using this because I realized that there's some protein in this leave-in conditioner. Even though it's a leave-in conditioner, I decided to use that as a base for this hair mask. I also decided to add coconut oil. We all know coconut oil is very great and it helps reduce protein loss. And then I go ahead with my collagen peptide. This is hydrolyzed collagen, and it is a great protein for your hair. Then I go ahead with my Collodial Oatmeal, which is also has a lot of protein in it. And then my Fenugreek powder too has, so all the ingredients that I chose has some amount of protein in them. And then this is my Tumeric Extract, which is just for added color in this. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, make sure that you do hit on the subscribe button now. Thank you so much if you are already subscribed too. So what I do is to just put some amount of my leave-in conditioner, which is the Biocare Labs conditioner. I put about 96 grams, and then I also add some amount of the collagen, which is about 12 grams. And this is one of the main ingredients for this DIY, and so I decided to use more of it. So I also put a little of my coconut oil, just to get the benefits of it, and then also my oatmeal for other benefits. Then I go ahead to also add the fenugreek powder. Fenugreek is very great for natural hair, and so all these have some amount of proteins in them, and so I decided this is a very great like deep protein treatment mask. And it's been a while since I did protein treatment for my hair, so I decided to go ahead and do this hair mask. So I just mix the ingredients together, and you can see that it is quite light, and you can see some of the particles are in. Then I go ahead with my turmeric extract, which I'm adding just a little bit for added color. I mean, this is very optional. You can decide to leave this out. So after I have mixed all these ingredients, I realized that the fenugreek was still not fully dissolved into the mixture, so I went ahead and whisk it a bit. So I decided to just whisk it for some few minutes, just to get all the ingredients to be mixed up in this hair mask. And so after whisking it for some time, this is what I had, and you can see that the hair mask is getting thicker. I decided to whisk it again, and the hair mask is really getting quite thicker, and it's also getting smoother. So after whisking it again for some time, this is the final hair mask that I have. This protein treatment hair mask strengthens your hair, and I don't encourage that you do it frequently, just once a while. This should be followed with a moisturizing deep conditioner after you have applied it, and you need to apply it on your hair for some time, and then you wash it off. So guys, this is the video. I hope it was helpful. Do let me know if it was, and comment down below what you think. Thanks so much for watching this video.